Aren't you tired of hearing about great opportunities where by the time you hear about them, you've already missed the boat and it's too late? Nothing is more disheartening than having an amazing opportunity slip through your fingers and seeing others who were just a little earlier enjoying success you could have had. Wouldn't it be great to be at the forefront of something new, something revolutionary? Today is the day you can. At Epic Trading, we're helping people take advantage of a once-in-a-generation opportunity. Epic Trading is the next generation of Forex education, coupled with an unprecedented financial opportunity that is turning heads and exciting people from around the world. So what is Forex? Forex stands for foreign exchange. It is the largest financial market in the world, trading more than $6 trillion in a single day. In its simplest form, Forex is the act of buying and selling currencies. Forex trading is a portable skill, meaning you can take this knowledge with you anywhere for the rest of your life. It's just like learning to ride a bike. Once you get it, it's a skill you'll never forget. You might be thinking, this sounds a bit intimidating. No need to worry. Our comprehensive training hands you all the tools and resources you'll need to become an epic scholar. Whether you have experience in Forex trading or whether this is your very first time even hearing the word Forex and have never done any trading in your life. Collectively, our executive team has more than 100 years of success in business, entrepreneurial ventures, and sales experience. And we've partnered with the most gifted traders from around the world to provide you with experience-based know-how. Winning is a habit, and we're here to pass these habits on to you. Let's take a peek at a few of the many features and resources at your disposal with Epic Trading. Live trading sessions that will allow you to look over the shoulders of world-class Forex traders to get an insider's look at the same charts, patterns, strategies, and setups they use so you can make the same trades yourself. At Epic University, there are more than 25 different video modules that help prepare and educate students, whether you are a novice or an advanced trader. Epic News Network provides daily mentorship with experts, including action steps that you can implement in your spare time to accelerate your success. Epic Trade House is an online community where you can share thoughts, ideas, and even ask questions and be answered in real time by team leaders, trade experts, and engage with fellow peers 24/7. Through our Epic Forex signals, we provide you with trade ideas and alerts recommended by our team of trading experts. Did you miss a session or training? Epic introduces Study Hall, which provides you with access to the content that you may have missed at a live question and answer segment with trading experts. And let's not forget about the Epic Compensation Plan, which is widely regarded as one of the simplest yet most powerful and lucrative referral-based compensation plans found anywhere. Keep in mind, the compensation plan is purely optional, meaning you don't have to participate. If you only want to learn the awesome skill of trading Forex, no problem. But if you want to share this with a few friends and family members, then listen up. Share what you're learning at Epic Trading with 3 people. When they enroll as scholars, you will be considered as their personal sponsor. The more scholars that join as a result of your efforts, whether directly or indirectly, the higher you move up the ranks. You will never be required to personally sponsor more than 3 people to access all levels of the compensation plan. The higher the rank, the more compensation you'll receive. Each person has 3 legs, or teams, to build. Place Scholar 1 in Leg 1, Scholar 2 in Leg 2, and Scholar 3 in Leg 3. Congratulations, you are officially an Epic founder. Now upgrade to an independent business owner and your monthly scholar fees are waived. Wow! In some cases, you'll benefit from spillover. Spillover happens when a scholar who is positioned above you places other scholars that you probably don't even know in the organization. However, because the team leader can only have 3 people on their first level, anyone that they enroll after that has to spill over to other members in the organization. In this example, as Tammy continues to grow her team, she actually helps you and Sean grow your teams because her spillover has to evenly fall into the next available open spot. You get credit for every scholar that falls into your organization, whether you personally enroll them or not. Understand, spillover does not happen for everyone, but it is more likely to happen the sooner you enroll in Epic. You can even earn up to an unprecedented $1 million per month. There's so much more to discover, so don't wait. You deserve to be at the forefront of something new. Why be average when you can be epic? Become an epic scholar today.